Okay, so you're going to a tournament and you need to create a roster for the tournament, but you have guest players and maybe a couple of your players aren't going and you want the roster to be accurate. You can create a custom roster for that tournament. If I click plus above my roster on my team page, it'll take me to my normal roster page. And here I can select the event that I'm going to be going to. In this case, we're going to select the Clash Turkey tournament. And it comes up and tells me right here, the roster is currently your official roster. To create a custom roster, simply click the update button. So we click update, and it takes me to my roster page where I can see my roster of players, which is my official roster. But the buttons up here, if you look, the bottom button here is create a custom roster with the instructions right there. If I click this button, it will create a custom roster, which you can see right here. This is a custom roster for this event only. Now I can add players or delete players from this custom roster. I can click add athlete, and I'll be able to add a player that isn't on my normal team, and it'll just appear on this one custom roster for this event. I can delete players by clicking the player's name in the list below and then deleting them, which will remove them from the custom roster only and not the official team roster. And I can also add an existing player. So if that player, if I click this, I can look and define whether it's male or female. And if they're already in the Soccer and College database, I can select the state and the last name. And I can get the list to find those players, and then I can select the player to add them. So I'll have a unique roster for this event, which will have the players on my official roster that are part of it and any guest players that I'll be bringing. So that's all you need to do to create your custom roster for each event that you're attending. Thank you.